So I'm just helping Joe weld on his engine mount because I am the Lobo fabricator, TIG welder, and we want it to look nice. So I'm just gonna tack this on there and then remove it from the bike. So I've just got the wheels and pulley back from the powder coaters. The wheels look really nice. Hopefully George will give me a hand putting a tyre on it later on, and then hope be able to get the back rear wheel in the bike. I'm not sure what I'm going to do about the front wheel at the moment, so I'm contemplating what to do. I've got some new discs ready to go on, my bars are ready to go on. The engine is pretty dry, so I might try to get that in a little bit later on as well. Yeah, just start putting everything back together basically.
Taking the cam cover off so we can just check the cam and the breather gear and all that kind of stuff, because a lot of these have a plastic breather gear on there. Probably need to put a steel breather in there instead of this plastic one, because they tend to fail and put bits of crap through the engine. I'm also going to change the rocker boxes for these nice powder coated black ones instead of the really sketchy corroded chrome ones that were on there before. So yeah, so that's what we're doing today.
So Tom's coming over, East County Customs, to put some leather on my seat pan. He's going to return Joe's seat, so looking forward to seeing what that is. Tom's a really nice guy and he's helping us out on this, this challenge we've got. So hopefully have 2 nice seats by Friday. So just got to crack on and get this ready for him to come collect.
Nice, nice.
I've got the same mount as we would normally use, but I've got a mount here, so that's going to have like a bit of stainless bar that comes up off the frame and pivots there.
So is that going to be threaded?
Yeah, that's got thread in it, yeah. And obviously I'll just, if you can put a bit of padding, quite a bit of padding there, as what the other one.
Okay, so you just like a sort of 25 mil.
Yeah, just something
down and then blend it off.
Yeah, please. Yeah, well, you know what you're doing, so I put my faith in you. George and my wife, she's going to do some pin-up art on the side of the tank. If I can get the tank to look nice enough, like brush finish, we'll clear coat it, then she'll do the artwork on there and I'll clear coat at the top. So it'll be like a brush finish. So like the either one will go.
Yeah.
But my other idea is to go more of on the tank, if it's easier for her art to show up, maybe like a light browny colour, like that neutral brown colour.
Okay.
So then but they both go. But I think that one I'm swaying to, because you said you ain't done that one before. custom, baby.
Right, t-shirts have arrived from Custom Clothing. So, front, back. Nice. And these will all be available online and through our shop soon. There you go, Georgie.
Oh, brilliant, thank you very much.
Hello guys, so the time has come for me to modify this tank. I haven't got enough time to build my own, so I'm going to modify this one. It's a nice tank, it needs a little bit of work, and now what I'm going to do is cut off these brackets, and then I'm going to fabricate some new brackets so I can mount it from the top, give it a clean up, give it a DA or whatever, get all this rust off, surface rust, and then I will take it back to my wife and she is going to do some artwork on it, and hopefully it's going to look awesome. I am bending up some sheet metal brackets for the petrol tank, gas tank. It's easier to bend them in a longer length than it is to try bend that when it's small, so here we go. So guys, there's been another long day. It's 10:30. The tank is more or less done now, so I've taken that off. And it's gonna go to my wife, and she's gonna do some artwork on it, and then I'm gonna clear coat over the top. I've marked the holes for the frame, so tomorrow morning I'll drill and tap the holes and hopefully have that on. And hopefully tomorrow my engine will be more or less there, so I can have that in.
All right, ready to sign off another good day. Besides getting the paint back from Luke, which looks amazing, gas tank, hopefully you guys can see tomorrow. But also got the seat back from Tom, who absolutely knocked it out of the park. But got everything else in place. Got the belt drive on, got the wheel in, got a ton of extra electrics done. Very slowly starting to see the end of the tunnel. Again, still a lot to do. Tomorrow we'll be putting the mid controls on, which I still have to faff around a bit with. Need to install the sproder on the rear wheel. Have to finish off the electrics. Have to swap a couple of parts that I didn't have in Cerakote Black, which hopefully tomorrow I will have. Sissy bar has to go on, and I can continue the list. So I wish I could say that I was on a snack list already, but that's not the case. There's still a bunch to do. But that is all for tomorrow. And this is where I sign off for today. Sleep well.